First go to the file and choose open. Select the skid image. Press open. Now take the line tool. Increase the stroke size to 10 pixels. Change the stroke color. Draw these lines like this. Now select the main layer. Grab the object selection tool. Change the selection mode to lasso. Select the kid in this way. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the selection. Hit Ctrl T for the transform option. Enable the reference point. Move this anchor point in this manner. Hold the Alt button and decrease the copied layer like this. Click Enter. Press Ctrl Shift Alt T to repeat the transformation. Now delete these line layers. Let's see the final result.